A non-toxic mosquito repellent that also heals bites instantly? That's the bold claim behind BuzzKill Repellent, but does it actually work or is it overhyped? So BuzzKill uses an ingredient called EBAAP and claims to repel mosquitoes for up to 8 hours, be DEET-free and safe for all ages, and even healing existing bites instantly. It's marketed as a 2-in-1 repellent and skincare product, which is pretty unique. Here's the truth. EBAAP is a real EPA recognized repellent ingredient used globally. It works by disrupting how mosquitoes detect you, and many users report it feeling lighter and less greasy than the EET sprays. So yes, the core repellent technology is real, but there are some common concerns. Claims like instant bite healing and 99% effectiveness are mostly marketing. Most strong claims come from the brand's own website, not independent studies, and it's often more expensive than proven repellents like DEET or picaridin. Effectiveness may vary. Some users say it's less reliable in high mosquito areas. So is BuzzKill Mosquito Repellent real or fake? It's a real product with legit ingredients, but overhyped marketing and not clearly better than standard repellents. The bottom line, BuzzKill can work, but it's basically a premium alternative to traditional repellents, not a miracle product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.